Hello and welcome to this Volkswizard car sales video on this 2017 66 reg VW Scirocco TSI 180 R-Line DSG automatic. It's had 4 owners from new. It's done just under 68,000 miles. It's got a full variable service history, so 5 services, 2 of which were at VW, I think the first and the last, and 3 independent services in between then. It's got the VW ones on the digital service history, and I've got receipts for them as well. Then the Indies are just purely, I don't know, one of them is on the VW digital database and the other 2 are receipts, but they're all sort of supported either by digital or by paperwork or by both. It's got a really good spec actually, and they're not bad as standard. So you get 19s, the Talladega wheels, which were the old R wheels. You get leather, but this car's also got navigation, which is Discover, which is the Mark 7 version. It has got 90% tint from the B pillar backwards. It's obviously got DSG, which is 6-speed on this car. It's got the rear view camera, which is a nice touch. It's got voice control and keyless as well. So the start button is, you can see that just there on the steering column surround. Anyway, let's start off then with the exterior condition. So it's pretty good for a black car. I'm pretty impressed. There's a bit of chipping on the front bumper, which you'd expect, and there was some on the bonnet, which I've touched in as best as I can do. So actually, it looks really good for the age and mileage. You've got to remember, it's coming up to, well, it's just over 9 years old. The sides are really straight and true. There might be some very faint little parking dents here and there, but I don't have a dent man to pop those out any longer, unfortunately. So that side is amazing, and this side is actually pretty much the same, with a couple of little parking dents, so just one there. Wheels, they're all very good. They're not perfect. There's some minor curbing to pretty much everyone, I think, apart from one, which has been touched in with silver paint, and you wouldn't really notice it. So that's one. Bottom right is where the touch-in is. I think this is the one that's actually perfect. And this one, I think, has had some touching in, but you wouldn't bother refurbishing. There we go. Now, I've done a bit of work on this car to get it ready for sale. It was pretty good, but it needed a bit of love. Some things have been noted by VW when it was serviced in March 2026, and not long ago. So, for example, they said the sump was a bit corroded, and it was. And actually, it's a very easy job on this car to replace it. So I put a new metal sump on. They do come with a metal sump, by the way, not the plastic of the Golfs. It's an EA888 engine. We'll have a look at that shortly. New front brake discs and pads. It's had new front tyres, because the chap had all seasons on the front and normal on the back. Well, now it's got pretty much the same Hankooks front and back, no all season tyres mixed up. And so they're brand new, and they're, I would say, yeah, pretty much new. So 6 to 7 mil on those. I've also replaced the infotainment system screen just because the digitiser, the touchscreen, was playing up. So that's new. And I'm sure there's something else we'll think of in a sec. So rear bumper is good. So yeah, it's a really, really tidy car. The brake discs on the back are a bit corroded, but they're not that old, and the pads are good and the discs are actually quite good. So I'm reluctant to do anything with those at this stage. That's probably the worst cosmetic thing, the brake disc, which isn't what many people actually worry about, particularly car dealers. Okay, let's have a look inside. So pillarless door, and it's a unique style to the Scirocco with these door pulls and the air vents, but it's got a lot in common with the Mark 5 and Mark 6 Golf. And this one actually has elements of Mark 7, like the steering wheel, the infotainment screen, the climate control as well, but then the gear shifter is like a Mark 6 one. Anyway, in the back, it's got 2 seats. You can fold the seats down. They've got this nice contrast stitch on the floor mats and the seats, so they look really nice. This car's also got the 12-way adjustable electric seats, only on, well, seat, it's only the driver's seat, but for left and right, get the lumbar adjustment, which is electric. Original floor mats, in good condition, stainless pedals, keyless start there, auto headlights. We don't have folding mirrors. We've got self-dipping rear view mirror, paddle shifts, of course, normal cruise control, which again was optional on this car, 67598 miles. I'll just shut the door and we can have a better look in here. So, it's funny having keyless in a car that's not a Mark 7 platform, but it's pretty cool. So new screen, everything works fine, climate control works, gear shift is good, complete book pack in there, which should be up here, but I put it in there so people actually can see it's in there. Air conditioned glove box, cup holder with the bottle opener still there, which is cool. We have a connection there for your phone, but this car does have the potential to run CarPlay, App Connect, Android Auto, but it needs to be enabled. Somewhere like VW Retrofit in Reddit used to charge 100 quid for that, so it's definitely worth doing to bring this car into the modern world. We've got these gauges as well, which are standard on all facelift Sciroccos. I don't particularly like them, but they're there. I've got a sunglasses holder, which you get on Mark 7 Golf, and storage down there. Multi-function steering wheel with no cruise buttons because they're on the stalk. Yeah, it's a nice cabin, and it feels a little bit different to a Golf. Although rear space is a bit limited and the boot is not as practical. We'll have a look at that in a sec. I'll pop the bonnet now, so let's have a look under here. EA888 Gen 3, and so it's weird seeing one of these in a PQ35 chassis car, not an MQB car, but there you go. Looks all nice and original down there. Right, let's have a look in the boot. Now, on this model, you can do it on the tailgate. On the pre-facelift car, you have to do it on the key or with a button in the door. It's a deep boot, but it's got this really high load lip, full space saver spare wheel there, locking wheelbox key in there, original rear panel, that's how they should look like, data sticker. Very good. I don't know if I've shown you this side, so let's have a quick look in here. So original mat, really good seats, and it's been used, but it's pretty good in there. Well, thanks for watching this Volkswizard car sales video on this 2017 66 range VW Scirocco R-Line TSI petrol engine. If you need any more information, drop me an email, andrew@volkswizard.co.uk.